Yo, hey guys, welcome to the Blender. Today we're gonna make a new tutorial, simple way how to make blanks like this. In this tutorial I make it. So we're gonna go step by step here. So first thing I'm gonna go with this and go with plane and go here in edit mode and go with Control R. Make sure you active loop cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something around this. So I have these blanks. Then I'm gonna go to top view like this and hit 3 to select faces and go select this and go delete and delete faces. Now I'm gonna go with Control R and make three loop cuts. Then I switch to edges by click 2 and go select this edge and this one and this one. So I'm gonna hit delete and dissolve edges like this. So I'm gonna delete these edges, and now I'm gonna select everything with A and go here to mesh and find split and face by edges. So now when I select this one I can move it, and this one, and that will affect on bevel. It's still one object here as you see, but in edit mode it's split. So I'm gonna select everything and hit E for extrude, make a little up, something like this way. So the next one I'm gonna go with modifier and go here to generate a few on Blender 4, and then I'm going to the bevel. So there is two way. First one I'm going to increase segment and go here with amount to control it, something like this, or can control from here, or you can go with weight, and with weight you need to select everything and hit N and go here with bevel with weight. So increase it and play a little with this. So now we have this blanks. So I prefer do it with angle. This easy a little and simple. So now I have these blanks. I'm gonna go with other modifier. It's called array. So go with array. First thing go to x is 0, and on y axis I'm gonna hit 1, and I'm gonna copy it 3 times. So something like this. Then you're gonna go find material. You can find it from here from Blender Kit. You can pick it or go simple way, new material, and hit Ctrl Shift and T and find your material. So for me I already have Blender Kit, so I'm gonna search on wood. Something look like wood blanks. So I love this one, and this one's okay for me, so I'm gonna pick this one and then go here. So that actually look good, but it's not perfect. So how to fix this? Just go hit tab and go to U, this menu, and hit Q projection. So it's gonna fix this. And if you want to know why, it's called UV editing. So you cover every face with a blank. You can fix it here, but for me it's okay. So the next thing we're gonna go with play a little with this edges. I'm gonna G and Z to make it like this, and GZ again, GZ, and something like this one. Maybe a rotation too, tweak it a little. Then I'm gonna switch to render, and for Eevee I'm gonna enable bloom and ambit. Everything make it good. Go select camera and lighting. So let's go back and find our light here, and GZ for down, and move something like this. can control the light from here, but this is how I make it. So I hope that was useful and simple and easy way. So make sure if you want to make like or subscribe, that gonna make the channel grow faster. So I hope you have a good day, and thanks for watching.